Hello friends, this video is about the 30 interesting facts on Linux kernel. Linux turns 30 on 25th August 2021. It's doubtful that even Linus Torvalds, the creator of the Linux kernel, imagined it would play such a major role in everything from supercomputers to teeny embedded devices. Back in 1991, that dramatically changed the future of computing. Linus Torvalds, a Finnish American software engineer, released the Linux kernel and the second version of the GNU General Public License, that is GPL version 2. It all started on August 25th of that year, that means 1991, when Torvalds announced in a Usenet post that he was working on a free OS and that it would be ready when a few months. He also said it won't be big and professional like GNU, but that was not exactly how things turned out. The Linux kernel is turning 30 this year. That means 25th August 2021. That's 3 decades of pioneering open source software, enabling users to run free software, to learn from the applications they are running, and to share what they have learned with friends. It's argued that without the Linux kernel, the luxuries of open culture and free software we enjoy today may not have surfaced when they have. It's highly improbable that the parts of Apple and Microsoft and Google that are open would be open at all without Linux as the catalyst. The impact of Linux as a phenomenon for culture, software development, and user experience cannot be overstated. And yet, all started with a kernel. A kernel is the software that boots the computer, recognizes and ensures communication between all of the components attached to the computer, both inside and outside of the computer case. For code that most users never even think about, much less understand, there are a lot of surprises about the Linux kernel. In no particular order, here is one fact about the kernel for each year of its life. Now, the 30 interesting facts about Linux kernel. Fact number 1. Linux was the first operating system to feature USB 3.0 drivers. Sage Sharp announced on 7th June 2009 that their driver for USB 3 devices was available and their code was included in kernel version 2.6.31. Fact number 2. The kernel marks itself as tainted when some event occurs that could be useful later for troubleshooting. It's not a problem to run a tainted kernel. Should something go wrong, one of the first troubleshooting steps is to try to reproduce the issue on a non-tainted kernel. Fact 3. You can specify a hostname or domain name as part of the IP is equal to command line option. Linux preserves it instead of overwriting it with one proposed by DHCP or BootTP. For instance, IP is equal to my hostname DHCP gets the name my hostname. Fact 4. There is a version of a black and white 16 color and 224 color tux logo during text boot up. Fact 5. In the entertainment business, DRM is technology used to prevent access to media. However, in the Linux kernel, DRM refers to direct rendering manager and refers to library. that is libDRM, and drivers used to interface with the GPUs of video cards. Fact 6. It's possible to patch the Linux kernel without rebooting. Fact 7. When compiling your own kernel, you can configure your text console to have more than 80 columns. After compiling, it's configurable as a bootloader setting. Fact 8. The Linux kernel provides built-in FAT, exFAT, and NTFS, that is read and write compatibility. Fact 9. Drivers for Wacom tablets and many similar devices are built into the kernel. Fact 10. Most kernel hackers use the git send-email to submit patches. Fact 11. The kernel uses a documentation toolchain called Sphinx, which is written in Python. Fact 12. Hamlib provides shared libraries with a standardized API to control amateur radio equipment through your Linux computer, which features a variety of radio support. Fact 13. Hardware manufacturers are encouraged to help develop the kernel in order to ensure compatibility. The hardware can thus be addressed directly without having to download a driver from the manufacturer. Drivers that are directly part of the kernel also automatically benefit from performance and security improvements in new versions of the kernel. Fact 14. There are drivers included in the kernel for many Raspberry Pi modules, that is Pi hats. Fact 15. The band Netcat released an album playable only as a Linux kernel module. Fact 16. Inspired by Netcat's album release, a module to turn your kernel into a music player has also been developed. Fact 17. The Linux kernel features supports many CPU architectures: ARM, ARM64, IS64, M68K, MIPS, NIOS2, PARISC, OpenRISC, PowerPC, S390, Spark, x86, Xtensha, and more. Fact 18. In 2001, the Linux kernel became the first to run the x86-64 CPU architecture in long mode. Fact 19. Linux version 3.4 introduced the X32 ABI, allowing developers to compile code to run in 64-bit mode while only using 32-bit pointers and data fields. Fact 20. The kernel supports many different file systems, including ext2, ext3, ext4, JFS, XFS, GFS2, GCFS2, BTRFS, NILFS2, NFS, OverlayFS, UDF, and many more. Fact 21. The virtual file system is a software layer in the kernel providing the file system interface to applications users run. It also an abstraction for the kernel so that different file system implementations can coexist. Fact 22. The Linux kernel includes a driver for a physical braille output device. Fact 23. The kernel version 2.6.29, the Tux logo during boot was replaced by Touch to raise awareness of an aggressive cancer that was affecting the Tasmanian devil population in Australia at the time. Fact 24. Control groups, that is C groups, are the reason containers, the foundation technology for Docker, Podman, and Kubernetes, and also much more can exist. Fact 25. It took extensive legal action to liberate it, so it could be included. But today, the CIFS module is built into the kernel to enable SMB support. This allows Linux to mount Microsoft remote and cloud-based file shares. Fact 26. It's notoriously difficult, in fact impossible so far, for a computer to produce a truly random number. The HW underscore random framework can make use of special hardware features on your CPU or motherboard in an effort to improve random number generation. Fact 27. Waste jitter is inference experienced by an application caused by conflicts in how background processes are scheduled and how the system handles asynchronous events such as interrupts. Binding tasks to sets of CPUs defined by the kernel. Using C groups and SMP IRQ affinity are options that the kernel provides programmers for reducing waste jitter. Issues like these are discussed in detail in the kernel documentation. Helping programmers targeting Linux can write smarter code. Fact 28. The make menu config command allows us to use a GUI to configure a kernel before compiling. The keyconfig language defines kernel config options. Fact 29. For essential Linux servers, a watchdog system can be implemented to monitor the health of the server. Between health checks, the watchdog daemon writes data to a special watchdog kernel device, preventing a system reset. Should a watchdog fail to log success, the system is reset. Many implementations of watchdog hardware exist and they are vital for remote mission critical computers such as those sent to Mars. And finally, the fact number 30. Although it was developed on Earth, that means the Linux was developed on Earth. Now there is a copy of the Linux kernel on the planet Mars. And that's it. Thank you.